Hi there, I'm Melanie Carr, life coach, and I want today to invite you, everyone here, to have a moment of introspection about loving yourself. In my journeys through YouTube, I see hundreds of videos how to be loved, how to have someone love you, how to manipulate a guy to give you attention, how to manipulate a girl to go crazy when you ghost her. And it's, as far as I'm concerned, it's all absolute crap. If you want to feel loved, there's only one person who can create that real sensation for yourself, and that is you. Only you inside yourself. And if you want to love, sincerely love other people or your partner, there's only one way to love, and that is to be filled with love for yourself. Now, this issue is very controversial because we just spent the last several hundred years of humanity, and we've dedicated our time to trying to be loved by someone else. And it's a very false sense of love. If we become dependent on someone else's love, it becomes a very, very sad and dangerous emotional practice, because you cannot expect another human being to be able to give you love 100% of the time. And I would like to be loved 100% of the time. So the only person that's going to be able to do that is me. There's no one else who's going to be able to give you that love. So on that note, let's just take a moment here to just breathe deeply, close your eyes and relax, and have a conversation inside yourself. Tell yourself how much you love who you are, how much you love yourself. Take several moments during the day to say, I am the most wonderful person I know. I love myself intensely. I'm a great, great woman, man. And I will never let myself down. I will always, always feel love for myself. I will always create love for myself. And in that way, I know I'll be able to share and give love to everyone else. There's so much more to this process, but starting with this simple idea of really focusing on loving yourself is a great step, a very great step to feeling loved and to being able to give love to other people. Forget the crap about manipulating others. I'm not going to text him because he didn't answer me back. I'm going to go out with another girl because I want her to see me with someone else so she realizes she's not so important to me. That is the most unbelievable, huge pile of crap. And it's all over the YouTube, it's all over the internet, and everyone is just talking about how to manipulate. And at the end of the day, that only turns us into predators trying to get something from someone else. The only place that we can feel love is inside ourselves. The only place we can get love is by giving it to ourselves. And then, if we want to feel it, share it. Share it with everyone else around us. Then you will never be alone. People will come to you like magnets. A lot of people will want to be with you. And you will feel loved, you will feel fulfilled, and you will have a wonderful life. Have a great day.